Today we're going to be taking a look at the newly released Liberty Air 2 Pro. When comparing these to my Liberty Air 2s, there's a few noticeable changes. First, the design and the addition of multi-mode ANC and transparency mode. Let's get into the unboxing and take a closer look at the hardware and features and see why these have been endorsed by 10 Grammy Award winning artists. In the box we have a charging case, the Liberty Air 2 Pro, the quick start guide, 9 different silicone ear tips ranging from extra small to extra large, and a USB-C charging cable. The charging case features wireless charging, on the back of the charging case, you'll find a USB-C connection for fast charging, as well as a button to put your device into pairing mode or to reset it. On the front, you have the LED battery indicator, which can be activated by sliding the lid open. The earbuds are equipped with 11mm drivers, Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, and it has a waterproof rating of IPX4, which means it's only water resistant to splashes, so you don't want to expose it to too much water. Also located on the earbuds, there's presence sensors that detect when they're inserted. When you remove them from your ears during playback, it will automatically pause whatever you're listening to, and once they're inserted again, it will resume the playback. And if you prefer not to use that feature, you can always turn it off in the app. Touch controls are located on the outside stem. With a double tap or extended press of the Soundcore logo, you can trigger an action of your choice, like skip track or an assistant. To get the most out of the buds, you'll need to have the Soundcore companion app installed on your phone. If you don't, you won't be able to customize your sound or your settings. Using the app, you could take advantage of the pre-configured EQ profiles or create your own custom EQ profile. In addition to customizing your EQ settings, we have the ambient settings, transparency mode, and noise cancellation mode. Noise cancellation, you have 4 different modes to choose from: transport, indoor, outdoors, and custom. Choosing the option that matches your environment will help eliminate the most external noise. With transparency mode, we have 2 out-of-the-box options: fully transparent or vocal. Depending on your selection, it will allow different sounds to pass through. By going into controls, you'll be able to customize your earphone touch features. Just go to the tap feature that you're looking to modify, select the earbud, and select the new function that you want to use. I've been using the Air 2 Pros for about a week now, and I have to say I'm impressed with the way they perform. Going through my playlist of different genres, like pop, rock, and hip hop, using the different sound profiles, I thought the audio came through really clear and crisp, and had deep bass. While the volume on these get pretty loud, for my preferences, I'd have liked to take it up a couple of notches. ANC did its job blocking out ambient noise, while transparency mode I thought added a little benefit while listening to music. I thought they were fairly comfortable. They're lightweight and they felt secure in my ears. The battery had a decent runtime. When running at 60% volume, I got about 5 hours on the left bud and about 6 hours on the right bud. Hooking these up to my TV and my smartphone, I didn't notice any issues when watching videos. The audio and the video stayed in sync at all times. The Bluetooth connection was solid. I was able to get 85 feet with a clear line of sight without any connection breakups. As I wrap up the video, here's a sample of the audio coming from the microphone. If you're interested in purchasing the Liberty Air 2 Pro, it does come in 4 different color options: Onyx Black, Sapphire Blue, Crystal Pink, and Titanium White. And I'll be dropping all the product links in the description down below. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.